Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Yanti Hot Spicy. Today's video is still about healthy food, but from leftover food. I got half pieces of leftover commercial fried chicken from last night, some of a frozen meatball and a sausage, and I just used everything I have in my fridge, like green and red bell pepper and some basic ingredients. First of all, I'm going to steam my leftover rice using my electric steamer and cover it with a rubber. It's a one-pan recipe that takes less than 30 minutes. You can serve up in Asian way with rice or tortilla or maybe salad. Whichever way you choose, it will be delicious, I guarantee. So let me show you how to make it. Next, I'm going to dice up my bell pepper and onion into small pieces. Take out the seed before I slice it into a little cube. Do the same with the green one. For paprika and onion, I don't use all. I just use half of them, just for 1 or 2 person meals. Dice up my leftover fried chicken into a little cube. And I don't use the crunchy skin from the chicken. No crunchy and no oily. Cut in half my fish meatball, or depend how big your meatball. Just make everything equal size with other ingredients, including the sauces. You also can change your ingredients depend on what you have on your fridge. You can use tofu or broccoli as well. Heating up my electric pan with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let's saute the onion first. Just make it half cooked before you continue with the bell pepper. Saute the onion till the color into a little bit brown, and we add a little bit of garlic. Mix all together, keep sauteed till you can feel a really good smell from them. Add the red and green bell pepper to the pan and give it a stir. The veggie will pick up of delicious seasoning flavor. Cook the veggie for about 4 to 5 minutes and stir them frequently. Then add all the meat ingredients in the same time. The last process is a seasoning. I use very basic and instant seasonings like teriyaki seasoning, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a little bit of pepper, salt, and done. Let's turn into a cute bento lunchbox. My leftover commercial fried chicken now become very delicious chicken fajitas. So, let's try and see you on the next video.